Hi buddy, I hope you are doing good. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI video with just text, using free version of Invideo AI tool. This is Invideo's home page. As you can see, it says Generate AI videos with just text. Click on Generate Video Now button to go to Login page. This is Invideo's login page. You have option to create new account or enter your already existing email ID to proceed, or choose other options for login. I already have an account with Gmail, so I proceed with that option. This is the home screen after you log in. Let's take a quick look at the paid version, but we'll discuss that in detail in our next video. This is the text area where you enter your prompt, instructing the AI what kind of video you want to generate. Right below this, you'll see the Generate Video button. Click it once you're ready. Now, let's go to workflows. Workflows are pre-designed video creation paths based on specific content types. They help the AI understand what kind of video you're making and automatically adjust the script, visuals, and style to match. For example, a UGC ad mimics real people giving opinions, reviews, or product demos. Short videos are perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and more. The explainer video workflow helps you create structured videos that teach or break down a concept, product, or tool. And script to video turns your written script into a full video, complete with visuals, subtitles, music, and AI voiceover. Let's create an explainer video now. Select a video duration. We'll go with 3 minutes, and choose the platform. Let's select YouTube. In this section, you'll enter your prompt. Let's write, create a video on artificial intelligence. Next, we'll adjust the video settings. By default, Invideo AI builds the video based on the workflow you selected, but you can customize it. Click on Background Music and type the kind of music you want. I chose fast and energetic, just like the AI recommended. Language, English. Subtitles, don't add any subtitles. You can add a watermark text if you want. For the audio, I'll let the AI choose it for me. Now, this part is important. There's a setting called Stock Generative. If you choose Generative, Invideo AI will create entirely new AI-generated video clips. But keep in mind, this costs credits. So if you're using the free version, choose Only Stock Media. This means the AI will use professional footage from its large stock library. Under Media Source, select Use iStock as needed. Next, choose the actor's gender, male or female. Select a voice. I went with American English in the narrator style. That's it. We're done with our settings. Now click on Generate My Video. The Invideo AI is now analyzing, researching, and generating various plans to create your video. This process takes a little time. Once it's ready, it will ask you to review and confirm the plan before moving forward. Here we go. It has created a plan and is asking for our choice. Let's begin by selecting the platform. I'll go with YouTube. For the audience, I'll choose Tech Enthusiasts. And for the creative strategy, I'll select AI and Daily Life. If you want, you can modify the plan here. But for now, let's continue as it is. In real time, this process may take longer, but I've adjusted the video to give you a quick overview of the steps AI goes through while generating your video. And now it's done. Let's take a look at the final output.
All right, let's talk about artificial intelligence because honestly, it's everywhere these days, and it's not just hype. I mean, think about it. AI wakes me up in the morning when my smart alarm notices I'm in light sleep. It fills my inbox with spam, but also filters out the junk I don't want. And if you've ever asked your phone a question, guess what? You're using AI.
Pretty good, right? And here's the best part. If you don't like it, you can either edit it yourself or simply ask the AI to edit it by giving a command. Let's go ahead and click on the Edit button. Here, you'll see several options. You can edit media, music, script, and settings. First, let's click on Media. As you can see, you can replace a clip with another one. You can upload media from your drive. Choose from the stock media library. Or, if you have credits, select from Generative Media. Simply choose the clip you want and click Replace. Now let's move to the music section. Click Upload Music. You can upload from your own drive or pick a track from the stock music library. Just search for the type of music you want, select it, and click the Replace button in the same row. Then click Apply to save your changes. Next, let's explore the Script section. Here, you can select any block of text to rewrite or delete. Click the plus button to add a new text element to the clip. You'll also find options to switch between stock media, generative media for paid users, and change characters. Once you're done editing, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. Finally, when your video is ready, click the Download button. For free users, choose Stock Watermarks for watermark type, Normal for Invideo AI branding, and select any resolution available. Click Continue to start the download.
All right, here's the first 1-minute clip from the video we just generated using Invideo AI. This will give you a quick look at how the tool works. See you in the next video where we demonstrate paid version of Invideo AI. Please like and subscribe.
About artificial intelligence because, honestly, it's everywhere these days, and it's not just hype. I mean, think about it. AI wakes me up in the morning when my smart alarm notices I'm in light sleep. It fills my inbox with spam, but also filters out the junk I don't want. And if you've ever asked your phone a question, guess what? You're using AI. But what is AI, really? At its core, it's about machines learning to do things that usually need human smarts, like understanding language, recognizing photos, and even making decisions. It sounds futuristic, but it's already all around us. Let me show you how. Let's start with your phone. Face ID, AI, voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, also AI. Every time your camera blurs the background in portrait mode, that's artificial intelligence.